Welcome to our channel. We are Technique Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to steal your competitors' SEO. If you want to win at SEO, the simplest way to do is to copy what's currently working. That involves studying your competition, determining how they write their posts, and optimize them for on-page SEO, and forming your SEO strategies after them. The only issue with this method is that it takes a very long time. And in this video, I'm going to solve it. What if it was truly incredibly simple for you to do? Let's try a different method. So rather than doing all of this manual setup, I'm going to show you the simplest way to discover all of this information about any web page in a structured way. So first thing we need to do is to go to All-in-One SEO Analyzer by AIO SEO. Just search that, click the second one. So now we have access to the Chrome extension page. So this is completely free to use. This is a recently developed plugin, which is why there aren't many reviews yet. However, it's an outstanding tool that requires no sign-up, offers no premium version, and does not collect any personal information. Now what you need to do is to click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Now make sure that the extension is pinned to your Chrome extension for easy access. To do that, go to the extension bar, find the SEO Analyzer, and click this pin button. So just make sure it is pinned so that you can see this. Now all you need to do to analyze this page is just click the AI SEO button. So just click the blue button and boom, it analyzes the page just like that. So this is all the information you'll start seeing. I'll give you a quick overview of all the information you're seeing. It analyzes the headline on the page. It gives a rating so that you can make sure that your rating or your headline is better. It gives you what the title is, how long the title is. It also gives you the description of the page and also a rating for that so that you can make sure that your rating is higher, which means better headline or better description. It will give you the actual description, how many characters. Like in the title, we have 62 characters and in the description, we have 138 characters. It will give you the URL of the page. You can see here the canonical URL. We have the meta keywords. As we can see, it is not set. Down here, you can see the robot text snippets, X robot tags, language used, the amount of word count, which means how long the page is. So we have like 1,514 words count. And the characters count is 9,500. And how many headings are being used. You can also check out the websites robot.txt and the entire sitemap right here. Very excellent information, but we're just getting started. Let's go back to the top. You'll see all these headings here, which are goldmine of information when it comes to SEO. Let's go to the headings first. So if I click the headings, you'll see the amount of headings this page has. So it has 1H1, 6H2, 12H3, 3H4, 0H5, and 2H6. Now if you scroll here, you'll see the entire structure of the page completely given out to you. So you can use this and just make an outline for your blog post instantly. So it's perfect. It's like a magic. You can also filter by headlines. So you can see here H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and 6. And if you want to export this, you also have an export option here. So you can just click that to export this entire data in a CSV format. Now let's go to the links section, which will analyze all the links on this page. So you see in the total links, it has 68 links. In the internal links, it has 56, external 12 links, and unique 36 links. What are the links? You can just go here and keep scrolling and figure out every single link that's going out from the page, whether it's an internal link, external link, and you can even filter those out. If you are feeling adventurous, you want to analyze all the links on a page, just go here, click export, and everything will be exported to your computer. It's very impressive, right? This information would take you or anybody multiple hours to compile for a single post. And now you have all this information available to you, exportable in a single click. Isn't that powerful? Let's go to images. You can see all this information, total number of images, which has 29 images. You can see in the alt text, it has 2 images. No alt text, 27 images. With title, 0 images. No title, 29 images. You can even use this extension to figure out if your website has the data needed. For example, you would prefer to have all the images with alt tags. So if you go to your website, your pages, and figure out some images don't have alt tags, you can fix this. And down here, you can see all the images with the links, and you can export the data too. Now let's click this schema and figure out exactly what kind of schema is being added to the page. This is a very powerful for any kind of product reviews, e-commerce, websites, and even articles can analyze what kind of schema is being added or is being used to their page. In a nice format, you can see all the different kinds of schema things written, and even the data inside the schema is being referenced and shown here. What kind of schema it is, and you can get a lot of inspiration, and you can do this to your website, just like the people who are already winning the SEO game. Now here is the social. Inside the social, you'll find all the open graph tags for Twitter, Facebook, all kinds of tags, and this will just give you an idea of what kind of tags are added to the page in terms of when the post is shared on Facebook, Twitter, and you can get inspiration from that as well. Then here is the export button. Just click that and it will export the entire data. So imagine all this information about the page overview, the title ratings, all the headings, all the links, and all the images, entire schema data, and open graph tags available for every single page. You can just go and search this Chrome extension, and with just one click, all this information will be available to you. With no cost, it's totally free, and no sign up required. So what do you think? Comment your thoughts below. I would love to hear from you.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Webinarloop. Run live, on demand, scheduled, and webinar replays with hands-free automation and breakthrough sales-getting features. No hosting required. Dozens of ready templates, engagement and sales boosters. Never seen before engagement and sales boosting technology. Full screen lifelike experience, call to action with clickable buttons, info boxes and engaging tidbits. Live polls on webinars, surveys on webinars, infographics and ads on webinars. Webinarloop is the only webinar marketing system you will ever need. So what are you waiting for? Get Webinarloop now. Just go to getwebinarloop.in.
I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.